Okay, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Ashley back with another video. We are still on a stay-at-home order, so European Wax Center is not open. So I decided that I'm gonna try out waxing. Now I've been trying sugar wax on like my legs and arms a little bit, but I can't consistently get good wax. Like I haven't got that down yet. So I picked up this Bliss Poetic Waxing straight from the spa hair removal kit, and I am about to try waxing my underarms with this. When you open the box, the box smells good. It comes with like a little instruction sheet, a few spatulas, I think 2 big ones and 2 small ones. This is the wax that you put in the microwave, and then pre and post waxing oil. So we're about to get started. So this is my armpit before. I'm just gonna wipe it down one more time. Next, I am gonna go heat up the wax. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna heat up the wax. It says read the booklet, so I'm gonna do that off camera. Microwave the cup in 30-second intervals until the wax has a consistency of thick honey. So it say for a full cup, it usually takes 5 to 6 intervals. And then I guess I'll be back when it's all, you know. Okay, I'm back. This did not take 5 to 6 30-second intervals. It took like 8 minutes, okay? But it's I can stir it comfortably. It's warm. It's, you know, thick. So I'm about to use the pre-waxing oil. It said to do a few drops and rub it around the area. That smells good. Okay. I got this. Gonna get some wax, twirl it, and then we gonna apply it up because I think this is growing more so down. I'm a double dip because it's my cup. I kind of tried to leave a little pocket up there so it'll be easy to like rip when it dry. Woo, y'all, I am so scared. You don't even know. Okay. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. I'm gonna pray. And when it's dry, I'll be back to show you guys me ripping and crying and all of that great stuff. Okay, I'm back. So it's tacky, but it's not completely like hard. So I think this is a good time to take it off. Oh, y'all, this shit finna hurt. This is about to hurt. Oh my God. Oh. My heart is beating fast, but I'm happy I got it off. So I'm gonna show y'all. You see? That is my little hairs. All the little white bulbs mean I got it from the roots. Ooh. Oh my God. I'm gonna do one more for the top. Y'all can see that's a bigger section. Oh my God. Hey, but listen, I think it's a vibe that the wax matches my hair. We're gonna let this dry. You know what I'm saying? My arm hurt from holding it up like this. So I applied it up so I can rip it down so you can take the hair out in the direction that it grows. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, that's my little... Oh my God. Okay, so this is what my armpit is looking like. I want to like get it so that it's clear. That's why I'm about to start waxing, because I want my underarms to be like, you know, all the beautiful pictures where girls hold their arms up in their pictures and they look all cute or whatever. I don't like holding my arms up. Like, they're not terrible, especially like back here. Like, I'm black, they're darker, then they're kind of like black people, your elbows or your knees, your underarms. It's just a little bit darker. But I want it to be as smooth as possible, so I'm gonna try and get rid of like these little ingrowns and then, you know, keep waxing and see like what it do. It's a little bit of hair that I missed, but that's fine. I'm not waxing this armpit again. I'm gonna let it breathe. I'm probably just gonna tweeze the little ones out. It is, you can't see it, it is bleeding a little bit, but I ripped hair out of the follicles, so that's to be expected. I'm gonna do the other arm and then I will be back and tell y'all like how I feel about this process. So this is what my armpit is looking like after waxing. I do have a few like ingrowns. That's like where the really dark spots are at. Overall, I think this was pretty easy. Like, it hurt, but only for like a minute. Like, literally after, if you apply pressure, it didn't hurt as much. I think this little box was like $22 at Target, and I think at European Wax Center, if you get your underarms waxed, it's like anywhere from $15 to $20 per wax, and then you have to tip. And so usually it comes out to like, I don't know, 20 to 25 for underarm wax, and this is $22, and it's probably gonna last me at least like three to four waxes of my underarm. So to me, that's super duper worth it. If you are thinking about waxing and you don't think you can do it, or you don't think you can take the pain, you can. You got this. And you know, why not? Even if you don't, call somebody, tell them to come rip it for you, and then you know your limits. But I think it's worth a shot. We in quarantine, or we have the stay-at-home order, so you can really try anything right now. But that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm actually gonna use tea tree oil on my underarm after I wax, because it's a antifungal type of oil. It helps with like reducing breakouts and stuff. So probably gonna use that after I get out the shower, put a small layer of tea tree oil, and then put my deodorant on top. Or actually I might do tea tree oil for the day since I'm staying in the house, and then do deodorant every day after that until it's time to wax again. So once again, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check me out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.